What's up, you guys? Welcome to this video. I'm going to show you guys an alternative way to buy BNB. So I know that we have a lot of backups right now on the Binance Smart Chain in order to buy BNB on Trust Wallet. And so when you click on Smart Chain or regular BNB and you try to click on buy, a lot of the time it's going to say not available. You can keep trying to type in different amounts. It's just going to continue to say not available. So one of the ways that you can go ahead and get your hands on some BNB would be through Bitmart. So a lot of the time on here, they do have a lot of new users, so it is sometimes going to move a little bit slow, and sometimes it will also say that the server is busy when you try to click withdraw. Just come back to it and try again. But when it comes to right here, it costs 0.001 BNB to withdraw, and on the BEP2, that is going to be your traditional wallet address on your Trust wallet for BNB. So not the Smart Chain, but the traditional BNB right here. You're going to click on receive, and this is going to be the wallet address that you're going to want to send to. So since I am going to be sending from Bitmart, what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to send XLM to be converted to USDT, and then I'm going to convert the USDT over to BNB on Bitmart, and then I'm going to send it over to Trust Wallet. So one of the things that you're going to want to do is you're going to need to create a Bitmart account, and you're going to need to get verified on here. Now, some people have told me that their transactions take a while on here. The same thing goes for a lot of other exchanges. I've actually literally withdrawn from multiple exchanges recently where it has taken a long time. That's just going to be the case right now because there are so many people trying to buy and send and sell and all this stuff with the cryptocurrencies. So there are two options that you can do. I'm going to have a link down below for both Bitmart and crypto.com, as well as Coinbase, and those are going to be the items that you will need in order to purchase and convert over to BNB, and then you're going to be sending it over to Trust Wallet. So right here, since I already have Stellar Lumen on crypto.com, what I'm going to do is I'm going to click transfer, and I'm going to click withdraw. Now it makes you add the external wallet and give a name for it. So the Stellar address that I am going to be sending to, guys, oh my goodness, is going to be over here in Bitmart. So first thing you're going to do is click on home. You're going to click right here on your name in the top left corner, and then you are going to click on deposit. Now you're just going to type in XLM and it will pull up Stellar. So now once you click on I got it, all you're going to do is click on copy for the Stellar Lumen, and you are going to head back over to crypto.com and you're going to paste the address in here. Now I like to go back and look at it to make sure everything is right. I like to look at the first two letters and then the last two letters and numbers just to make sure everything is good. Then I'm going to go back and copy the memo. Guys, make sure that you do not forget the memo. If you forget the memo, to be honest, I don't even know what you can do to fix that. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to type in a wallet name, and since this is my Bitmart XLM wallet, all I'm going to do is type in Bitmart XLM wallet. I'm going to click on continue, and then what it does is it sends you an email to be able to verify that the wallet address is correct and everything. So you can just go back to your Bitmart, make sure that all of this is good, and then once you know that it's good, click on confirm withdraw address, click on open, and then you are going to have the wallet confirmed so that you can then go ahead and make withdrawals. So once this goes through, you're just going to be able to go back over to your crypto.com, and it should be there in crypto.com for you to be able to make withdrawals from this specific wallet. So you can see right here, it still says waiting for email verification because for whatever reason, my internet connection is loading slow. So now that my Stellar Lumen has appeared in my crypto.com wallet. All I'm going to do is click on transfer. I'm going to click on withdraw. I'm going to click on external wallet, and since it's already there for my Bitmart Stellar Lumen wallet, all I'm going to do is click on withdraw XLM. So I want to withdraw about $150 worth of Stellar Lumen. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use this. So I'm literally using this to buy BNB on 5/9. So I am just going to click update as far as the memo, and then I'm just going to click on withdraw. Now it only charges you 0.1 XLM, so it's a very, very low fee to transfer. And once that's done, you just wait for the transaction to go through. So the thing that I love about XLM is that it goes through pretty fast. So it says pending here. Once it's confirmed and goes through, then I will show you guys how it looks and what the next steps are on Bitmart. So like I said, my favorite thing about Stellar Lumen is that it goes through almost instantly. So right here, I received an email at 3:26 saying that it went through. It's 3:27, and right here on Bitmart is voila, my Stellar Lumen. So what I'm going to do now is I am going to convert my Stellar Lumen over to USDT. So all I'm going to do is click on markets. I'm going to click on XLM, and then I'm going to click on XLM/USDT. I'm going to click on sell, and then I am just going to click on market order. So I am going to sell 100% of my Stellar Lumen into USDT. So all I'm going to do is click 100% and then click sell. So now pretty much should have went through automatically, and all I'm going to do is go back and head over to my assets. So now in my assets, I see that I have 205 USDT. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to head back over to markets, and I'm going to type in BNB. So you can buy BNB either from Bitcoin or from USDT, but like I said, I use Stellar Lumen because it's the fastest, quickest, and cheapest to convert. So now I'm going to click buy because I'm buying BNB, and what I want to do is I am going to click market order, and then I want to buy in with, let's just see, I want to buy in with 185 of my USDT. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to click buy, and that is it. So now once I go back over to my assets, I should have BNB. Okay, so cool. So now I have 0.28 BNB, which is worth $182.99. And now what I'm going to do is click withdraw. So now this is when you're going to head over to your Trust wallet, and you're going to get some information over there to paste over here. So now you're going to go to your regular BNB, not your Smart Chain BNB, and you're going to click on receive. Now you're going to copy your wallet address, and you're going to head over here and you're going to paste it. Now, as you can see on Trust Wallet, it says no memo required. So you do not need a memo to paste over here, even though there is a line for memo. Now, what you're going to do is you're going to click on all. I'm clicking on all, and it's, to me, this is a low fee for BNB, especially because Qcoin is 0.01 BNB to transfer. So I think that this is the best option when it comes to transferring your BNB. So now all you're going to do is you're going to click on withdraw once your wallet address is pasted in right here, and then just go ahead and click on withdraw. So your minimum withdrawal quantity on here is 0.5 BNB. So let me just go ahead and send more over here, and then I am going to execute the transaction. So as you can see right here, you have to send half of a BNB, which as of right now is like $330. So let me go ahead and finish doing that. Okay, so now that I have over half of a BNB in my Bitmart account, what I am going to do is I am going to head over to Trust Wallet. I am going to click on my BNB. Now make sure you do not click on the regular BNB Smart Chain like I said before. You're going to click on Receive, you're going to click on Copy, and you do not need a memo. So what you're going to do is you're going to click on Withdraw, you're going to paste it right here. Make sure that you have the full amount selected, so all, and you only have to pay 0.001 BNB on here. That is a very low transaction fee in comparison to a lot of the other platforms. So all I'm going to do now is I'm going to click withdraw, and it is on the BEP2 pair. All I'm going to do now is I'm going to select my Google Authenticator code, and I'm going to send it the verification code to my email, and I'm going to paste these in here. So now that I've done that, I've actually received a text message. I am able to check the TX ID and things like that so that I can check the overall transaction and whether or not it's gone through. But I've been having a lot of people say like, oh, I haven't been receiving my things that I've been sending to my Trust Wallet. That's totally not true. You just have to have the right amount of money in order to be able to withdraw from Bitmart. That's all that it is. My link to Bitmart is down in the description box below. Please make sure that you guys take advantage of this. This is one of the easiest ways to buy BNB right now, especially because BNB on here with Simplex is just simply not working. So once you want to actually buy a currency, what you're going to do, all you're going to do is click more, you're going to click swap to smart chain, and then you're just going to convert it here. Now for me, I've been having an issue with converting 100% of my smart chain over, so I have been converting a little bit less than all of it, but one thing I will say is if you just click on majority of the smart chain, majority of the BNB that you have to swap it over to smart chain, you should be completely good. The network fee on this for me is $2.69. I'm just going to click send, and that will be all. So I hope that you guys were able to get everything from this tutorial, and yeah, I hope you guys have subscribed to my channel. Please like this video, comment, subscribe down below. Let me know if this helped you.